Now, if you're like me and you like to dress up your Apple Watch with a really nice titanium band that doesn't cost an arm and a leg, you're definitely going to like the band that I have for you today. This band's made by LDFAS, and it's made of titanium, and it's at a price point that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. Unlike other watch bands that are titanium out there, they can cost upwards of $250 or more. And I've been using LDFAS's watch bands ever since the Apple Watch 5, and I've had absolutely no problems with them whatsoever. Now, they do come in black and silver, and they also come for other watches such as the Galaxy Watch that I have here. Now, if you are interested in this watch band and other watch bands by LDFAS, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, when you're purchasing, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. Now, this isn't just made for the Apple Watch Ultra, although it does look really good with it. You can also use it with the Apple Watch Series 7, 8, and SE. So now I'm going to show you how easily you can size this, and we're going to see how good it looks on the Apple Watch Ultra. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so like I said before, I'm a huge fan of LDFAS's watch bands, and that was not a lie at all. I've had them on pretty much all of my Apple Watches. Here is the Apple Watch Ultra. This band I purchased before this one came out, and it color matches pretty much exactly with the Apple Watch Ultra. It looks really nice. If we look at the clasp on the bottom here, as you can see, it's got these two little buttons on the side that you just press in to undo. And if we look closer at the links here, you'll see that there's nothing on each one of the links, and you're going to need a tool to take apart the links on this band to properly size it to your wrist. It's not really that hard, but it makes it a lot harder, especially if you don't have the tools. Now, this watch band, the brand new one, has a super clean look. It's got these nice little buttons on the side here, easily undoes the clasp, and when you push it back together, it's got a nice little satisfying clip. Now, if we turn it over, as you can see, each one of the links has this little switch. All you need to do is simply push that switch over with maybe your fingernail, and the links come apart. Super easy to take apart and size for your wrist, and again, you don't need any tools. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove these, and then we're going to go ahead and put it on the Apple Watch Ultra to see how good it matches up. And as I said before, you can use this watch band with other Apple series watches and not just the Apple Watch Ultra. So I think I only have to take out a couple links here, and you want to try to make it as even as possible. So if I only need to take out 2 links, I'll take out one from the top and I'll take out one from the bottom. So all I need to do is press over this little latch right here, and the band easily comes right apart just like that. So I'll do that one more time to remove one of the links. And then to put it back, all you need to do is to put one end in, kind of like that, press over on the little latch, and then press in on the link, and you're all set. It's just that easy. That's probably the quickest I've ever sized a band. And then as you can see on the inside of the clasp there, it has the titanium. Now, one thing to note when you're installing it on your watch, this watch is made of metal and there's not a lot of give, and you don't want to twist it up. So when you're installing it, kind of make them go into the watch at equal lengths if you can, as much as you can. It doesn't have to be crazy, but you don't want this side all the way in and this one not even in yet, because then you're going to end up kind of twisting up the watch. So kind of get it in as much as you can at the same time. All right, and there we have it on the watch. Color looks absolutely amazing. It's pretty much spot on with the Apple Watch's titanium color. Looks really nice. Let's go ahead and put it on. Very easy clasp, nice and satisfying, and it looks really good on the watch. Feels good on my wrist as well. And the sizing is perfect. I think that looks really good for the Apple Watch Ultra. And again, if you happen to have another Apple Watch that is silver, this might match that color as well, but it looks great for the Apple Watch Ultra. Now, as you can see, I do have some pretty hairy arms, and I don't have any problems with the watch band catching on my hair. That's also probably another issue you might want to have thought of, but yeah, I don't have any problems with it catching my hair. It feels really nice. And again, you just push in these clips on the bottom to undo the clasp, and it comes off very nicely and clips in place just as easily. Very nice. I will tell you that the little clasp on the bottom here feels nice and solid. It doesn't wiggle around a lot, and it clips into place really nice as well. As you can see, it sits flush with the clasp there. It also fits the curve of your wrist perfectly as well. And even if you happen to hit one of these buttons, the clasp does not come apart. You have to push both of these buttons in for it to undo. So if you want to dress up your Apple Watch Ultra, I would definitely recommend this titanium watch band by LDFAS. So again, if you guys are interested in purchasing this watch band, I will be putting a link in the description so you guys can pick it up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products and reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.